Geese are a common kind of bird that can be seen in the wild. They're recognized for their lengthy necks and honking noises. Geese are also renowned for being aggressive against other animals who approach close to them. Although geese have been domesticated for generations, they still maintain some natural impulses. If geese feel intimidated, they will attack other animals that approach close to them. If they feel intimidated or believe you're attempting to take one of their eggs or goslings, geese can become hostile toward humans.